So what's up, you guys? We're back with another video. In this video I will be doing a product review, and I will also be showing you how to use this Dollar Tree watch. This is how the watch look, and to turn it on you just press that button, and this here is the paper that it came on. So if you needed to set the date, the time, and all of that on it, the instructions is on the back, and it tell you right here what you have to do. And basically what you do for everything, you're gonna press the one button that they have on here every 3 seconds that you need to change, and I'll be demonstrating it for you. Probably hold it too long. The reason why I did that. 1, 2, 3, going to the minutes. You got to do it again. 1, 2, 3, going to the date. 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3. Then you're gonna go to the date, which is today is the 10th. You press it one time. For the date and the time should be set now. It's 4:03, and the date is January the 10th. So I got it set, the time and date. Once again, what you have to do to turn it on, press that button. Give it a little bit. To set the hour, you're going to press and hold for 3 seconds. I'm gonna be wearing this watch all day today, and I'll let you know how the wear is on it. Until next time, make sure you subscribe, like, click the notification bell to see more content like this. Okay, also to put the watch on, what you do is you have to take it, and this band right here, you take this thing right here and pull it through this band. Like this. And then you snap these down. There's some snap-ons right here. You snap it at whichever level that you need to snap it on right here. You just gonna snap it on them levels. And there it is. And this is how it looks from the back. See, the snap ends are in. And of course, you get ready to turn it on. You just turn it on like that. Give it a few minutes. There's the time. 4:06. Press again. One time. And there's the date. So, yeah. So, that's it. Okay, you guys. This is the Dollar Tree watch. And after wearing this watch for about a week or two, this thing, the clock, kept popping out of the socket.